Hello, guys, and welcome to another pre-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Today is December 7th, and this is the Bank Nifty chart on our daily time frame. So here we have actually in yesterday post-market analysis itself, we have discussed the pre-market plan for the day, but then just uh, just to be make sure again we are making this video for the pre-market analysis for today's markets. So anyways, here we have the Bank Nifty chart on a daily time frame. So each candle represents here as a day's price action of Bank Nifty. So here, what uh, is noticeable is this swing highs. Okay, these swing highs are going to play a very important role when for the Bank Nifty, when the Bank Nifty is going to come down. And also what happened is a couple of days back, this gap that we have. Okay, so all these levels at see starting from 46,880 levels to 46,420 levels, this entire zone itself is going to act as a support for the Bank Nifty if the Bank Nifty starts to fall down. But you need to wait for a proper intraday confirmation on a intraday chart at a 5 minutes level. Okay, and wait for the Bank Nifty to form a swing high and swing low, and then see which side the Bank Nifty is moving and trade accordingly. If the Bank Nifty is moving, because is yesterday's price action has given us a bearish sign in the Bank Nifty, even though the Bank Nifty is at all-time high. We have seen a bearish engulfing pattern in yesterday's price action of Bank Nifty. That is December 5th and December 6th candles have given us a candlestick pattern which is called a bearish engulfing pattern. Excuse me. Okay, so but in order to confirm this bearish engulfing pattern with any location, we cannot come to a conclusion, because on the left we don't have any important location of a resistance level which is we have previously marked, because Bank Nifty is trading at an all-time high. So this itself tells us that the Bank Nifty is exhausted because of a very long momentum. But we are ready to see, because yesterday completely it was a sideways action day. Depends on the previous days support and resistance levels. All right. So let me show you that on a 5 minutes chart. Yeah. So in yesterday's pre-market analysis video, we have clearly discussed that the Bank Nifty is going to be that if at all if it is coming down, these two levels are the very important levels to mark, and these two green zones that you see on the chart. So that is what has happened yesterday. It has opened in the resistance zone, and it has given us a confirmation candle breakout through this resistance zone in the second candle itself, and these levels have pretty much acted as the support level here at the bottom, and this definitely acted as a resistance level. So even for today, okay, if we see, you see global markets are negative, considering the previous day's price action. Even the Dow Jones was has seen a negative close. Okay, so here Bank Nifty, again, once again, if it is opening at any levels and if it is forming any bearish sign at this level, then you can pretty much expect Bank Nifty to come down to this level. But if it is seeing any strong support forming at this area with a proper confirmation on an intraday level, then you can trade with these levels. You shouldn't be giving pretty big targets, because Bank Nifty from the last 2 days is in a sideways market. Okay, so this entire price action of the Bank Nifty, okay, starting from day before yesterday, is completely gone into the sideways action. And if you notice the peaks of the Bank Nifty, okay, so see if you notice the peaks of Bank Nifty, okay, these has been the peak of this has been the peak of day before yesterday, and this has been the peak for yesterday. But if you notice, after that, your higher highs have started seeing uh, I mean, your swing highs are started to see some lower reactions. Okay, so this is kind of a descending form, and it also has a form. Yesterday price action, it has seen a downside, a momentum. Okay, so this you keep this in mind. So in order for you to be bullish on the bank nifty, you need to see close anywhere above this level of 47,218 levels. Excuse me. Excuse me. So only after you see any breakout through this level with a proper confirmation or a proper pullback towards this level again, you can continue your wave towards the bullish side. Otherwise, it is in the sideways market from the last couple of days, and if you see breakout towards the bottom, then all these levels marked on a daily chart of bank nifty, all these green lines and green zones will become will is going to act as a support on an intraday level. But if that support breaks, your target would be the next support area. So that is the trade plan for the bank nifty for today. And let's look at the nifty and see how is the nifty on a daily chart. So bank nifty has seen a very strong confirmation. I mean, on at least on a daily time frame, we have seen a bearish a candlestick pattern called bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, whereas a nifty, if you notice, okay, so we have this swing high right there. Okay, we have this swing height right there is going to of course act as a support level while nifty is coming back. Okay, but that cannot be done in a day or two, right? Okay, so because you see, before that gap we have a couple of uh, a very huge gaps there. So okay, that is one gap, and also okay, you have one more gap right there. Okay, so these two gaps for the nifty is going to act as a support. And yesterday, if you talk about the candlestick pattern, this candle right here, yesterday that nifty has seen on a daily time frame is called a hammer. Sorry, it's coming after an uptrend, so it is a hanging man pattern. This candlestick pattern is called hanging man pattern. But hanging man pattern, even though it is a bearish candlestick pattern, we need to see some confirmation close in today's on a daily time frame. Okay, anywhere below the close of yesterday's price action. So if you see that, then we can come to a conclusion. Unless unlike in the bank nifty, uh, the candlestick directly is giving us a clue that it might be a bearish sign in the bank nifty. But always remember, in the bank nifty and nifty, in both of these cases, we are in a very strong uptrend and we are seeing all-time highs. Okay, so even though if there is a couple of bearish formations here and there, okay, always remember that that move is going to be a counter move for this entire moment that the bank nifty and nifty has created. See the kind of momentum. Even in yesterday's market, we have suggested that even according to the Fibonacci level starting from here, okay, till there, even according to the Fibonacci retracement levels, okay, okay, this is looking, nifty is looking good almost till 20,250 levels. Okay, so this much of the correction is expected according to the Fibonacci, but then you can't be very sure about it because we have these zones to cross for the nifty in order to reach that to reach that level. Okay, so the first thing is you should be you should be waiting for today's candles confirmation. That is, if you see any close, any bearish close below this yesterday's candles close, then excuse me, so then on a daily time frame level you can come to conclusion that that is a bearish sign. But it's not there is no standard rule written on the rock says that nifty should go down definitely after seeing that pattern, because we have some sorry, support levels going the way down for the nifty. If it is crossing all level by level, and if it is slowly reaching this level, then it is a healthy correction. If not, even after seeing a bearish close, if you have not seen the momentum coming all the way towards down, that means that any of these zones have helped nifty to take support, and then um, finish the counter move whatever that it has to correct within a very short range. And then we can expect nifty going back again towards the upside momentum. If you see any close above this above this 20,960 levels, because that is the all-time high, and that is the high above this ham, hanging man formation. So it, only after seeing a today's bearish candle, you will be bearish towards the downside. But if you see any close above this candle on a daily time frame, then again it is going to be bullish. But in order to do that, uh, instead of these levels, okay, those are giving us only the longer picture. But you always, if you are trading on an intraday time frame, you wait for the proper levels to form on a 5 minutes chart. See, this is the chart of Nifty yesterday. Okay, see what has happened in the Nifty is entire Friday, unlike Bank Nifty, where the price action of the Bank Nifty was right in the zone of previous day, that is on of Tuesday's level. Okay, but whereas today here in Bank Nifty it is different. Okay, with this price action of Nifty yesterday is not in this zone, is not anywhere in this zone. Instead, okay, it has given us a price action at the all-time high levels only. The only level it has seen is this level. Okay, this level Nifty has taken support yesterday, so this level for the Nifty is going to be very crucial. But even after crossing this level, we have this entire zone. Don't take any trade in between this zone. Okay, so you carefully watch all these levels that we have marked. Okay, even if it has to come down, it has a couple of it might see a couple of levels which are going to act as support, and we don't know whether that is going to be achieved in one full day. All right, so wait for the Nifty to form a swing high and swing low and mark your proper support and resistance levels, and then trade accordingly based on those levels. See, if you have to be bullish on the Nifty, then you have to wait for 20,950 levels to cross, and then wait for a proper confirmation candle on an intraday time frame, or at least a pullback towards that area, and then trade accordingly. But if it is moving sideways today, then again you have to be very careful, because you have been continuously watching, Nifty trending from many days. Okay, you see, if you zoom back a bit and if you see, okay, Nifty is slowly rising. Okay, Nifty is slowly rising, and here it has taken a sideways momentum there. Okay, so that's it for today. Trade very carefully, and trade in less quantities until you see a very proper confirmation, and then don't carry forward any positions in a market like this, where you have Bank Nifty and Nifty both are performing excellent in their all-time highs respectively. But in the Bank Nifty, we have seen certain candle formation which is bearish, and we are yet to see the confirmation from the Nifty today on a daily time frame. But in both the cases, those are a larger picture. You have to always wait for the price action to form in an intraday level and see what happens on an intraday level, and then take a trade accordingly. So that's it for today, and see you in our next video. Till then, happy trading, and please do subscribe to our channel for more such valuable content on Indian stock markets. Thank you.